Baesokire na kurira yo gwicha Kogenderera kwenekia umugirobo gwika eserikari ya county ya Nyariko bake gwikaransa na barabu na koigwa amaganiabo hase bono bamochirio uburayi bwa serikali yabono asugutaikirania emeroberio eri baigwananire yo gwicha kwenekia gwikirani bare obokoreri bwa basoko bwatoka obobwenia gwicha sabananji.
We have a county that is now running away from the obligations that the governor himself said that is faithful to, and they will ensure that they are fulfilled.
We are a frustrated lot, courtesy of a healthcare worker. Over 7,000 healthcare workers in Nairobi City County, they are aggrieved with their employer because of issues that did not just turn up on a day. These issues have been there for the longest time. We have been negotiating on these issues for the longest time possible. There has been some empty promises.
We cannot sit with officers, agree on what to do today. We plan on what to do tomorrow, the weeks to come, and they run away from that agreement. Since KUKO started its strike on 22nd of December, and the rest of the healthcare workers started their strike on 8th of January, we have not had a constructive dialogue meeting on